half-gallon sprayer, we're going to mix 2 ounces of Parrot Shine with 62 ounces of water to make up half a gallon of product. Now that we've got all the sticks and leaves out of the way and got our drains clear, we're just going to take a little bit of mild car wash soap, give it a quick rub, and then give it a rinse. Now that we've washed the boat, we're simply going to take Parrot Shine in our pump sprayer and spray down all our surfaces. Simply spray your Lexan, your upholstery, your plastics, all your bright work. Work your way around the whole inside of the boat. Let Parrot Shine sit. Anything on your boat that can get wet can be Parrot Shined. Now after we've completely Parrot Shined the boat, all we simply do is just rinse it back off. Look at that bright work. Apply Parrot Shine to the motors on your boat for an incredible finish that makes them look almost brand new. This is an 03 Yamaha. After Parrot Shine sits for a minute, you just simply rinse it back off.